With each new year, Samsung's experimental folding phone series is looking less ridiculous and more revolutionary. After all, there is something truly enticing about unfolding a tablet-sized screen from out of your pocket. That's why the Galaxy Z Fold 4 release is on the horizon, and we have already begun to size up the best Z Fold 4 cases. Because just like the Z Fold 3, its successor isn't the most durable handset on market. Though much of the target audience for the Galaxy Z Fold 4 has probably shifted toward digital payment options, some situations still call for you to have a credit card or some cash handy. That's why I'm glad there are still classic card cases like the FYTON Folio wallet case coming out, even through AARP reports that the popularity of mobile payment methods will only continue over time. This case has a low-profile card slot which neither interferes with wireless charging nor adds excessive bulk to this already large phone. It fits a credit card and some cash and also folds out to act as a kickstand. The rest of the case adds some much-needed protection to the Fold 4's chassis, including a hinge cover. Notably, this version does not have an S Pen holder, but FYTON makes another version of this case that does come with a removable S Pen holder. The pros in a summary are it holds one card plus cash, lightweight and durable, and wireless power share compatible. And the cons in summary are no S Pen holder, limited drop protection, and bezel could be large. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share it with your friends and keep watching Best Buy to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities.